देख के बहुत खुश होता है। Thank you. On the popular demand, I'm bringing the assorted pack. Tragedy turned into marketing.
Welcome to the Nutra world.
Yes. She was suggesting we should get a cat. Brands की बजी पड़ी है guys. Shalini Mandal dislikes everything I do. She has a problem with everything I do. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's the weekend, so today the team and I actually Saturday evening हो रहा है and we decided to go. The marketing team and I we are going to Little Flea. मैंने बहुत सालों से नहीं गई हूँ. When we were in college we used to go. जब नया नया आया था ना तो बहुत चस्का था उसका. और summers में I'm going तो I'm a little scared but I'm wearing a very nice like my breezy outfit जो मैंने Disney cruise पे भी पहना था. It didn't get a good moment on Disney cruise because I wore it in the evening, first evening. So I thought I'll re-wear it today and get nice pictures taken at Little Flea, and we are also taking our Impulse guilt-free iced teas. We're gonna make people try over there. I have not made any announcement on social media or anything that I'm going. It's more like we're just going to chill and enjoy. Sharon and all they've never gone to Little Flea only. So I thought it'll be nice like an outing. Plus we'll get to make people try iced tea also. So 2-in-1 हो जाएगा. तो चलो चलते हैं. I'll show you the outfit and the makeup is looking so good. I'll tell you what I used. I used the MAC eyeliner. I really like the felt tip क्योंकि मैंने कितनी मस्त eyeliner बनाई मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, even though it doesn't come in a lot of shades, I used the very like darkest shade they have, and it's a very nice brightening shade. Like look at the contour it's given me also. And then I use the Patrick Ta blush, and this lipstick is a combination of two lipsticks. This is Fay Beauty ka Lip Whip in the shade Revenge, and Flossy Cosmetics also liquid lipstick in the shade Brainwash to give me this nice dark red pink-ish combination. And yeah, the mascara is Essence Lash Princess. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Sharon ने थर्मस में बना लिया इसकी और तपेले में से वो लास्ट फाइनल. हाँ.
Guys, you will not know. You will not know only. That's what it is.
You have to try to know.
It's so good. I would say it's better than अपना sugar वाला.
Yes. जो गोवा चिली भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Excited.
Bombay digging season has started. Look at that. खुदाई सीजन क्योंकि बारिश में जब भर देंगे तो मुंबई में लोगों की लाइफ हेल करेंगे. को देख के बहुत खुश होता है. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The way you are, we love you. Thank you. So sweet. Oh my god.
Yeah, she was so excited.
Yeah, oh my god. Made my day. Oh my god. Oh, you were recording? What a promptness of mine.
Yeah, I did sort of. It is so cute now.
You know that day I was in the broadcast. I was ranting about something on my broadcast and I said I'm a very warm person to meet, and some girl commented, "You're not warm at all. At the Lakme event I wanted to meet you and you didn't meet me."
That's like, when you told that
bro, I felt so bad क्योंकि this is अगर मेरा मूड कितना भी खराब हो बट मेरे को कोई मिलने आता है तो मैं इतना स्माइल करती हूँ. It's a paid content. जब मेरे को paid content होता है ना मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है कि shit I have to get all my shots, I have to be perfect, right? Brands pay me a lot of money to go to these events and shoot content for them, so I have to be perfect in my content. So I wasn't like concerned about meeting people because it wasn't a meet and greet, but I met a lot of people at the Lakme event. Like there were a lot of creators who knew me and so many people wanted to take picture with me, which was also taking time, जिसकी वजह से I wouldn't be able to go ahead and do my iftari. And iftar उस दिन वो charity iftar था with Ashray NGO, so I had to go from Juhu to Ghatkopar in the traffic, and मैं रोजा थी and in the summer sun. तो उस दिन तो मैं बहुत dehydrated भी हो गई थी with all that, but yeah, I couldn't, like some people who came up to me that day, I was like, I'm sorry I can't give you a picture. Like मुझे वो करना पड़ा, which made me feel very bad क्योंकि मुझे नहीं करना होता है ये. I want to say yes to everyone, but sometimes you just have to say no. So that was one of those days, and then she was like, "You're not warm at all." And I'm like, "I'm so sorry," but that day it wasn't a meet and greet. अगर Lakme मेरे साथ meet and greet करे, it's a different thing. Or any brand does meet and greet, तो मेरा वही काम है ना. फिर I'm coming and smiling and taking pictures, and I'm very happy to host. But I had to cover the full makeup range. I had to go for the charity event. I was fasting.
Yeah.
So fasting, गर्मी में it's difficult. That's not the point. I was so happy that she was so happy to see me.
Yeah.
So cute. And she was like, आप कभी भी down मत feel करना.
Yeah, that was so thoughtful.
Yeah. Okay, we've reached Juhu, guys, and there's a lot of traffic today. It feels like आज कुछ हो रहा है मेरे को लगता है apart from Little Flea also.
हो सकता है.
क्योंकि काफी लोग रास्तों पे हैं, so that means something is happening in the city.
I also had the same thing. लोग Saturday Sunday घर क्यों नहीं बैठते यार? हम एक दिन
Actually बैठते हैं. अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो Saturday Sunday you find the roads the more, like Reet usually leaves on a Saturday or Sunday, so when I go to drop him the roads are empty. आज कुछ हो रहा होगा apart, और यार इतने लोग Little Flea भी जा रहे हो सकते. You never know.
1 hour later.
So This is my strawberry flavor. Tell me what you think, honestly.
It's really refreshing.
You think it has sugar, like ऐसा लग रहा है? हाँ, but it is not sugar. There is
Really?
zero added sugar.
It feels like it has sugar.
Yeah, but this is artificial sweetener.
It's really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You have it, enjoy. Yes.
So good. Can I have the recipe? It's really good.
Really good, you like it? Sugar free?
No, I
Acha, okay.
I haven't
Okay.
tried Impulse coffees yet.
Okay, okay. Then go ahead. Enjoy. Tell me what you think.
It's really good. I love it. What flavor is this?
Strawberry.
It's really good.
Yeah. Tell me what you think.
They're really nice.
That's good?
It doesn't taste like it's sugar free.
Yay! That's my win. for you.
10 10.
Ah, thank you so much. Thank you. Sharon, can I buy anything?
I like this.
Even I like that. But वो dangle नहीं होता रहेगा मेरे कान में. What do we need actually is the real question. We have good necklaces. Impulse team is like ये लोग भूल गए क्यों आए थे ये लोग. quick impulse purchase in between from Oh, I know. You said to me no this. That's what I saw a piece and I was like I have something similar. Yes. The bracelet only I think I have this. One of the bracelets I have. Bracelets I have a lot. I think I'll take earring.
We are known for your
Earring, yeah, these earrings are damn pretty.
Yeah, that is pretty.
Ah, yeah, those look damn good. Let me zoom in on your beautiful face. What else I like? I think earrings only, Sharon.
Yeah.
Either
This is
this
cute,
one.
yeah.
Yeah, even I like that. It looks-
Cherry.
Yeah.
to convince people to get it. It's such
Yeah, convinced me. Get this.
Yeah.
I'll get this.
the cherry one.
Yeah.
Guys, it's like my name is Janvi Vyas and I've ordered.
Oh, thank you so much.
Order my cherry.
But yes,
Said yes.
Janvi has ordered. Yes, she knows. But then now you try. Try this.
Yeah?
Yes.
Is it like a new launch?
The new iced teas. Yes.
Wow, it's amazing.
You like it?
It is like I'm trying the iced tea for the first time.
You've not tried the sugar ones also before?
Not at all.
These are sugar free, they have vitamins. I'm very proud of this.
This is amazing. Very good. Very, very tasty also at the same time.
Like it's not sugary at all.
But you've got the sweetness? How much you need?
Sweetness is there, but
Yeah.
it's not like overly sweet
Yeah.
and something like that.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Loved it. 10, obviously.
Would you
Loved it.
recommend it to your friends?
Definitely, I am going to pre-order as well.
This is really good stuff.
Pincha butter, barbecue cake.
Really good stuff. What is this brand called?
16 pop palette.
I'll buy this. And your Oriental chili.
Truffle?
Yeah, truffle. You like, no? You love truffle. So, guys, this is the brand. So flavorful. She's making it khud se, small batches. Give me 3 truffle butter and 1 Oriental crisp.
Orientals on me.
Arey. No, yeah, I want to support your brand. You bill me for everything.
I daily have your hazelnut wala nut ka hazelnut and I can't live without caramel and hazelnut. And that is great for me to order from that. And she just keeps ordering from Blinkit. Yeah, because I keep running out of it and I tell her
That's okay with me.
And then she's like, I'll order it on a sale or something. I'm like, I'm not waiting for a sale. I need it.
I love her. You like which coffee?
Pineapple
Oh,
coffee.
dude, I love you because you love pineapple.
I'm so sorry that I feel bad that you didn't launch the pineapple iced tea.
Ah, it's coming. It's coming. On the popular demand, I'm bringing the assorted pack. But because you guys love the coffee so much, please go home and can I have one more? Yes, y'all can go home, try this chill.
I ordered strawberry iced tea, guava iced tea and pineapple coffee.
Acha.
This
This
will come take some time.
this will come on 26, so now you know what you're gonna get on 26. Amazing, yes. Wait, you got guava chili? Guava chili is over? Strawberry. Guava chili will be amazing too.
We like keep ordering and we keep ordering those big jars and you all had that thing in between the warehouse from the
fire, yeah.
My grandmother watches you, my Aji, she loves it. Her and your dad, the dynamic that they share, they love it so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad I met you, honestly.
Lovely.
Thank you.
I'm so
I love
glad
her
I met
recipes. My grandma's made something at home also.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She'll find it crazy that I met you today. I'll send it to her right now.
My mom will find this crazy, so I'm gonna send it to her. Nice. Good pizza. मैं पिज्जा खाऊंगी तो यश मारेगा मेरे को.
The next day.
Good morning. It is Sunday morning. I have my Masti Bari strawberry coffee right here. Lil Flea was really nice. It was beautiful. There were so many people. So many of you came up to me, met me. I love meeting people. I love meeting people actually. It must be that I'm in a very bad mood if I've ever met you in public and like not smiled at you. I must have been very irritated at something. Otherwise, if somebody's smiling at me, I'm always smiling back. Or I smile at people even when they're not smiling at me. And it's such a... It was a really, really nice day. मुझे इतनी गर्मी भी नहीं लग रही थी because I went with a very breezy outfit. तो अच्छा था because दूसरे लोगों को बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी वैसे तो. But yeah, it was really nice. We also got such good response on our iced tea. We made so many people try. We also bartered free samples, so it was nice. A lot of people tried and they loved it. Like a lot of people were like, I can't tell there's no sugar, I can't tell that this is so refreshing, this is what I need right now. And I was like, yes, this is exactly what it feels like. So and I was really, oh, so nice. Satya makes my coffee so nicely. He knows exactly kitna dalna hai. Like itne doodh mein he puts 1.5 spoon. It's perfect. If you're using sachets, I would take a little more milk and put 2 full sachets. 1 sachet mein thoda chota glass banta hai. Okay, Sunday. What should I do? You know, being an entrepreneur is like every day you're used to working. So Sundays also you're like, आज मैं rest करूँ कि मैं काम करूँ? Usually read होता है तो there is no, it's non-negotiable. We are doing something together, watching a movie or going out for like games or something. We always do something together. This my chipku thing is on there. I was gonna stick you all and put sunscreen because skin is feeling very dry. So yeah, when Reet is there, it's a non-negotiable. But today I've got no plans. I messaged Tamanna if she wants to meet, and I messaged Krishma if she wants to meet. If not, then I chill alone, watch movies, or maybe I'll work also, who knows. I'm using the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I'm kind of over the sunscreen actually. This is my last tube. Uske baad main nahi kharidungi. I want to try a new one. I am using my D2C brand. This is one from Dot & Key. The new one is really good by the way. It could be like a dupe of the Beauty of Joseon white wala sunscreen ke jaisa. Like very fluidy sunscreen. I actually have a very fun collab with Dot & Key jiske liye I have to travel aane wali week mein. Ki yehi week mein. Yeah, Sunday hai na. Next Sunday I have to travel on 19th. So the plan this week is actually, today is Sunday, so chill. Monday, tomorrow we have a customer focus group for IC. Basically, customer focus groups are when we call our select customers. So we've called the customers who've purchased our iced tea in the past, the sugared ones, and few customers who've never purchased iced tea but they purchase coffee from us. So they can try the product, give us their feedback, give us their review. We're always listening, and you know, what do they have to say? I also want some people to do like a blind testing. So like we'll put blindfold and make them try sugar and sugar free, and I want to see which one do they like better. So yeah, I have bought sugared also from the factory and come. I've bought sugar free also. Did you see my factory vlog in the last one? It was so fun. So that's the plan for tomorrow, Monday. Okay, we are doing this in Powai. We are not doing it in our office. We are doing it in Powai because last time we called to office 4-5 लोग ही आए थे, but office का जो layout है उसमें मुझे ऐसा round table बिठा के नहीं जम रहा था. So this time we decided to collaborate with a cafe. So it's happening at the Arc in Powai. It's a very nice, cute space where perfectly we can, you know, I can talk to customers. It'll be easy to serve. Also, we'll have serving people and we'll have food also that will be served from the restaurant. So it'll be really nice. So if you're an Impulse customer, you get a chance to be a part of all this also. I know I do everything in Bombay because my base is Bombay, and for me to travel is very tricky within India because it's just that I'm either working and then I take one holiday and I go away. So mera वैसा system रहता है. But this year I have made an intention now, especially that we are in Blinkit in so many different states. I want to do like a tour and we go like different states and meet people and do customer focus groups in like Bangalore and Hyderabad and Kolkata and Ahmedabad. Like all these are hot states, and the minute we go Gurgaon, oh my god, Blinkit does so well in Gurgaon. I've realized because Delhi people are not used to having a lot of access to like a banega dukaan under the building. They don't leave in the night especially. It's not safe also. So Blinkit works really well in Delhi, Gurgaon, and we are available. These are all the states where we are available in Blinkit. We are in Bombay, of course, Bangalore, Hyderabad. That's South India done for us. Abhi ke liye Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR. Oh my god, 7 states is good, right? We're good. So these are the hottest metro cities, and Pune also. Pune also we are there in Maharashtra. So these are the hottest metro cities where our sales are the highest, where we are available in Blinkit. We're not everywhere yet, and not all coffees are available everywhere yet. क्योंकि उसका एक step by step करना होता है Blinkit पे, एक साथ ही में सब नहीं हो जाता, वो आपके सेल्स पे डिपेंड करता है. जो बेस्ट मूवर्स है वही ये सब जगहों पे है, फिर धीरे धीरे करके दूसरी कॉफीज, दूसरे जैसे जैसे उनका लेवल अप होगा एंड उनके सेल्स बढ़ेंगे, देन वील बी अलाउड टू सेंड इट एवरीवेयर. बिकॉज Blinkit also has like limited storage in their warehouse, so they don't stock up a lot from every brand. They let you keep only thoda at a time, and when we cross 40 lakhs of sale on Blinkit, only then we'll be in the other model. Right now we are in the seller model. We want to be in the partner model, but we have to cross that 40 lakh threshold per month of sales to be able to go there. So we are a long way from that, but we are getting there. Like that's the mission. Once we get to the partner model, then we'll be allowed to, like, whenever we launch something, we'll be pan India spreading it immediately. Like अभी आइस टी आ रहा है ना, मैं immediately आइस टी हर जगह नहीं भेज पाऊंगी, मुझे पहले मुंबई भेजना पड़ेगा, उसकी सेल्स बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. पहले वो लोग 20 ही लेंगे, देखेंगे कि बिक रहा है कि नहीं, फिर 20 बिक गए, फिर 40 देंगे, फिर 40 फिर 100 देंगे, ऐसे ऐसे करके फिर जब उसका लेवल अप होके वो 500 की क्वांटिटी मुंबई में हो गई, फिर उसके बाद वो नेक्स्ट स्टेट पे जाने देगा हमको. तो ऐसे करके, तो जब तक आपको आइस टी Blinkit पे दूसरे स्टेट में मिले ना, आपका साल खत्म हो जाएगा. तो अगर आपको गर्मी में लेना है, देन आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप वेबसाइट पे से लो. एंड अगर आपको Amazon पे से लेना है तो आप मई में Amazon पे आ जाएगा. Amazon is quick like that. Amazon has no such तामझाम. उसको जहां आपको भेजना है माल आप भेज सकते हो. That is fine. They also give you a cap of storage, but that's within our sales number, so it doesn't affect the sales like that. Like here we are getting up, like whatever is my hot seller na, it goes and it goes out of stock. So like it's like, and then people are waiting for that. So then again I have to send that stock. So this inventory management, I really need a good operations guy. Like I have only one ops guy who does all of this. So I need a good ops guy who can manage my marketplace. If you all know anyone, if you have anyone, I'm ready to pay really well for this role, but you need to have experience, at least 2 to 3 years experience. Like at any D2C brand, not a startup, any D2C brand, and you've done operations. Even if you've done fabric wala like Myntra, Nykaa, वो भी operations आपने marketplace का देखा है तो भी चलेगा मेरे को, क्योंकि वो same चीज Blinkit और Amazon पे apply होती है in the F&B space. तो yeah, I need a good ops guy, like to build my operations team. Right now my ops team is the weakest because it's so much to do in operations and there's only one person handling it. So need a good ops hire for sure. That's one of our top priorities actually, operations. You know, Sundays I'm telling you कि मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है, so I'm chatting with you all. You all are my friends. You all is, I can tell anything and everything to you all. Whatever is happening, the good, the bad, the ugly. It's so nice to have a community that I can share with. So that's where we are at right now as a brand. We're scaling, we're getting there, inshallah. It is hard, especially cash flow wise, because of the fire. A lot of people are like, how did you recover from that fire and start business again? Even abhi maine Q&A ke liye questions pucha, and everyone was asking that, and I was like, I put a lot of my money, by the way, again into the company. So I had invested starting mein, and then I used to not invest. First year mein I invested a lot, then I stopped investing, then the company used to pay for itself. Then I think I invested during apparel, which sold out. Apparel was a full profit वाला situation. कपड़ों में बहुत margin होता है ना, तो कपड़े में तो we made a lot of money. We had like stock holding जो हुआ था, but उसकी वजह से I didn't want to continue because what was happening is the warehouse cost would start eating into my profits of the fabric. So that was the biggest issue over there. So then I sold that out. I wanted to empty the category because it's very difficult. Again, inventory management is a big thrust. कुछ sizes बिक जाती थी, कुछ नहीं बिकती थी, फिर clearance sale रखो, और मैं fabric brand तो थी नहीं, तो focus वहाँ पे shift करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था. Then I was like, fuck it, I just want to do F&B. Merchandise should be like more easy merchandise. You know, like this year I want to do easy merchandise like caps and what else we can do? Caps and, you know, small bags and coasters, like those kind of tumblers, those kind of easy merchandise which is free of size. So that is that year of business when we did fabrics. We did kapda. Then flavors, our coffee is our hero. Coffee की वजह से ही impulse चलता है. Of course, coffee is what we are known for and people love and trust and come back and back and back again for our coffees. So the repeats are the highest for this. Now a product which is also doing really well is our frother. It's a power frother. Everyone who buys it loves it. It's got 3 more, it's the strongest. Gopali is like, मेरे को तेरी coffee से ज़्यादा तेरा frother पसंद है, क्योंकि our frother is genuinely very good. Like I have used such shit frothers on the market and I was very sure कि अगर मैं launch करूँगी तो मुझे वो हल्का frother लाना ही नहीं है, battery वाला जिसमें पानी चला जाता है बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है. So we got very good frother. Frother does really well on Amazon, Blinkit and website. Now we're actually trying to pivot the brand to expand our range of products in the ready to consume line. Like I said, we want to be India's first consumer beverage brand. So in different types of beverages. So iced tea is the first of this, and I'm very confident with this iced tea. Like I know कि even if people are hesitant to try it पहले ना कि लगा अरे sugar free कैसा होगा, taste अच्छा नहीं होगा. I know एक बार reviews आने लगेंगे ना लोगों को ये इतनी अच्छी लगेगी कि repeat purchase इसका बहुत high होगा इंशाल्लाह. तो I'm very very confident with my iced tea कि लोग एक बार try कर ले और उनको दिखे कि वो पीने के बावजूद आपको acne नहीं आ रहा है guys, आपको bloating नहीं हो रही है, आपका fat gain नहीं हो रहा है, आप कितना भी पी सकते हो मीठी ड्रिंक आपको अच्छी लग रही है without all of that. This is like your Sprite Zero से भी सस्ता. Sprite Zero एक कैन आपको 75 रुपीज का आता है, इधर मेरा एक सैशे आपको 59 रुपीज का पड़ रहा है. So that math when people start doing and realizing, it's gonna be game changing my iced tea. So I'm waiting. I'm like मिले अब ट्राई करो, मेरे रिव्यूज आएंगे, मेरे रिव्यूज विल सेल द प्रोडक्ट themselves. So that's that. Because yesterday also everyone was like, wow, this is so good, this is so refreshing, I can't tell there's no sugar. And I was like, exactly, that's literally my win. That's every update. So people are asking, yeah, how much do I put into Impulse and how much do I make? I don't make anything. The profits are like crazy none. Profits जितने भी आते हैं ना कंपनी के go back into the company in marketing expense. So we spend a lot on marketing, like in lakhs and lakhs of rupees we put on performance to get that traction. Like whatever ads you see Facebook पे, Instagram पे, Google पे, YouTube पे, वो सारे ads बहुत महंगे होते हैं. Like तो वो सारी चीजें पे हम खर्चा करते हैं. अभी Zomato reached out to me कि Zomato पे ads करो, जो आप ऑर्डर करते हो उसके बाद आपको एक ad आती है. तो that also we are going to consider. So advertising your product for brand awareness is extremely important and you spend a lot of money on that. So there is no profit that goes in my pocket. I want to better my company to take it to one stage inshallah someday. So we very strategically go for that. I invested money back in the company during the warehouse fire because I really want to come back in business ASAP. Like that was one time in my life where I was like, either I shut this or I give it my everything. And you know, honestly, it's scary, but I'm also only 27. Like if I don't take chances now, I might regret this all my life कि एक फायर हुआ और मैंने गिव अप कर दी. Like so in that minute I took some really big decisions in Delhi sitting alone, and I think God just wanted me to be alone because I take the best decisions when I'm not surrounded by noise and other people's opinions. So I was like, okay, you want to do this, you can do this, let's put some more money, let's make it work. So I called my vendors and I was like, माल भेजो, and they all gave me credit period. They were all like, आप 15-20 दिन बाद पैसा देना चलेगा. They were all very kind. They all sent their products also very quickly. They stopped all their other production and they took my production because of course it was a calamity. तो सबने मुझे बहुत हेल्प की. तभी फट माल आ गया, वेयर हाउस लग गया, सब कुछ फटाफट से हो गया, नया कॉन्टैक्ट्स बन गए, वो सब हो गया. उसके बाद पैसा मुझे वैसे भी 15-20 दिन बाद मिला था. When my community also supported me so much, और कितने लोगों ने जैसे ही हम बैक इन स्टॉक orders came, that money anyways went to the vendors and payment were made. But I still put more money to be able to market. I was like, abhi itna humko search mil raha hai because everyone was searching for Impulse Coffee's fire, Impulse Coffee's this, and people that search volume on our keywords was very high during the warehouse fire because tragedy turned into marketing. I saw hate videos being made कि मैंने जानबूझ के आग लगाई ताकि मेरे को marketing करना था. क्या ऐसे बेवकूफ लोग हैं. कोई सोचो कोई अपने ही माल को आग लगाएगा टू डू मार्केटिंग, जो इतने साल से कंपनी चला रहा है. कि पागल. जैसे मैं ये सब कंट्रोवर्सी वीडियोस बनते हैं ना, मैं बस देखती रह जाती हूँ कि क्या सोच के ये लोग लाइक ऐसे दिमाग भी इनका कैसे चलता है. बट एनीवेज इट टर्न्ड लाइक व्हेन वी पुट दैट फर्स्ट पोस्ट आउट, आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स वी गॉट ऑन द इंटरनेट. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑफ कोर्स आवर कीवर्ड्स वर रैंकिंग, देयर वाज हेवी सर्च वॉल्यूम ऑन आवर कीवर्ड्स. आई वांटेड टू यूटिलाइज दैट एंड नाउ रीच पीपल कि देखो वी आर बैक इन स्टॉक, इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई आवर प्रोडक्ट, try it. Because when your volume is already high of search, you want to reach more people. So वो marketing के लिए तभी मैंने पैसा लगाया था, and मैंने तभी I have given अच्छा खासा money in the company and this. And then in January we took a loan also. So now we have that loan that we also have on our company, so that we can buy more and more inventory because Kacham came back, pineapple came back, which is by the way on sale in the summer bonanza sale. It's on sale. So those inventory, new flavors and all to buy, and every flavor has a different costing because of the flavor that we buy. Like Kacham is imported, even though it's an Indian product, Kacham is an imported flavor, and pineapple is Indian. Chocolate raspberry is imported. So those flavors, to bring them back, I had to take a loan, and I was like, I'll take a loan only because my savings were exhausted. And there's also like, I don't want to compromise on my lifestyle lifestyle. I have a loan also to pay. So I was like, ठीक है, certain extent I can put my savings, certain extent we need to take a loan. So company का loan मिल जाता है. That's how I managed everything. And I have, mashallah, my father is there to guide me, support me. My accounts team is there. They help me, guide me, support me. My team is there. We all take decisions together. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अकेली बैठ के लेती हूँ. खाली वो fire in the warehouse के टाइम पे मेरा एक ही डिसीजन कि कंपनी चलाना है कि बंद करना है, वो डिसीजन मैंने अकेले लिया था. मैं हमेशा अल्लाह पाक से एक ही दुआ करती हूँ, मालूम है, कि जब मुश्किल में हो मुझे राइट लोग मिल जाए लाइफ में. बस मैं कभी ऐसी दुआ नहीं करती कि मुझे मुश्किलें ही नहीं आए. Because life is, it's written in the Quran that your life is a test. It is a test and it's always going to be a test. Life is never going to be easy. Allah Pak will always give you challenges in life. So for this test of my life, I want the right people in my life who can support me and help me जब मुझे जरूरत हो. तो मैं हमेशा दुआ करती हूँ कि मेरी जिंदगी में अच्छे लोग आए जो मुझे मदद करे, जो जब मुझे जो चाहिए वैसे मुझे लोग मिलते जाए. तो वैसे ही मैं दुआ करती हूँ. और हमेशा अल्लाह पाक में लाइफ में जब मुझे दिक्कत आई है ना, राइट लोग मेरी जिंदगी में रहे हैं to help me, to support me, to guide me, to get me out of there. So that is my biggest win over money and everything. Everything is transient. Everything, you know. And that's what I was talking to Reet last night. And we were just sharing some family stuff and all. In my family, there are really, really rich people, okay? Like my parents were the only middle class people in our family. My cousins and all are very wealthy. And people don't believe when I say my family used to be middle class because now we have this beautiful house that you all see in vlogs. But to get to that house, my parents have sacrificed a lot. They've taken so many loans. So many loans. To all my life my father had loans and he used to pay, take another loan, pay, take another loan, because they had nothing. Both my mom and dad don't have a father and they had no money, nothing, कुछ भी नहीं. वो लोग सिर्फ young and in love थे and बहुत मेहनत करके वो लोग ने वो घर भी बनाया है. लोगों से पैसा लेते थे, फिर चुकाते थे, फिर पैसा लेते थे, फिर चुकाते थे, वैसे ही करके. और ये घर लेते वक्त भी डैड ने बहुत बड़ा लोन लिया था जो उनकी जिंदगी का लास्ट लोन था. उसके बाद मैंने पापा को बोली बस ये आखिरी, उसके बाद तुम कुछ लोन है. मैंने ठान ली थी अपनी दिमाग में this will be my father's last loan which he took for that house, and alhamdulillah I have managed to make sure that is true. My parents worked a lot and my other family members, I've seen a lot of wealth in their life, but I've also seen whoever flexes their wealth or has too much ghumand. Like I'm just answering like a Q&A only at this point, but Q&A मैंने post ली हुई ना, तो उसमें somebody asked how do you manage to stay humble and grounded through so much money and fame etc. It's because मैंने देखा है कि ये सब एकदम transient है. मालूम है, आज है शायद कल ना हो आपके पास. मैंने कितने लोगों की मेरी फैमिली में देखा है जिनके पास बहुत पैसा था ना, बहुत घमंड भी था. मेरे माँ बाप को बहुत नीचा दिखाते थे. When we used to go to these family functions, they used to make my parents feel very small because my parents never had money and I was a little girl listening to everything and मैं देखती थी कि कैसे लोग जिसके पास पैसा है वो लोग कितनी गंदी तरीके से मेरे मॉम डैड को ट्रीट करते थे. Then those people also lost their jobs someday. They lost jobs, they lost their wealth, they lost that and they came to earth. And they became so sweet. And then my parents were the people who were helping them, doing things for them, connecting them to people के जो loan दे देवे. And my parents helped them even though they were rude to my parents. And that's when I understood कि अच्छाई हमेशा ज़्यादा टिकेगी. पैसा हो ना हो, अगर आप अच्छे इंसान हो तो आपको मदद भी मिलेगी, आपको पैसा भी मिलेगा, आपको सब मिलेगा. आज मेरे माँ बाप के पास सब है माशाल्लाह. लाइक जैसी लाइफ उनको जीनी है वो लोग जी रहे हैं. और उनको जिन्होंने जब मदद चाहिए थी सबने उनको मदद की. Like from family members I've also helped them. Not like my parents तो did not have such a good क्रेडिट स्कोर ना. हमेशा बैंक से नहीं मिलता था लोन. उन लोगों को बैंक से लास्ट में खाली वो घर का लोन मिला. उससे पहले तो हमेशा there were family members only who helped them. So there are some family members who've been very nice, very helpful, given them money, etc., etc. But there were some family members who also treated them very badly, and I saw that growing up, which is why that has grounded me a lot. क्या होता है कि पैसा वैसा सब है, आज है कल शायद ना हो. But if you're not nice to people, if you're mean, if you don't help people, it will bite you in. Like karma comes back, that's for sure. In this life only. I strongly feel कि आज जो भी मेरे पास है वो मेरे मॉम डैड का अच्छा कर्मा है. बिकॉज उन्होंने लोगों की इतनी मदद, लाइक उन लोगों के पास 10 होता था ना, उन लोग 11 दे के आते थे, फिर एक कहीं और से लेते थे. वो लोग इतनी मदद करते हैं लोगों की. तो दैट हैज मेड मी रियलाइज कि वॉट एवर आई हैव टुडे इज वॉट माई पेरेंट्स हैव डन गुड फॉर पीपल. इज वाई सबरीना एंड आई आर लिविंग सच अ गुड एंड कंफर्टेबल लाइफ माशाल्लाह.
Many hours later.
Okay, look who's here to give approval on my sugar-free iced teas. My very own nutritionist.
What flavor is this?
I don't know अभी मैंने दोनों ही बनाई हूँ.
This is very nice, addictive. With strawberry.
Yeah, that was strawberry. अच्छा, wait.
हाँ यार. है ना? Correct.
Strawberry.
Oh, this is also very nice. Yeah, both are good, yeah.
Yay!
Taste-wise, they're very nice.
Told you.
And sugar वाला spike भी नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes.
It feels good.
यश ऐसा इंसान है खा के बोल सकता है कि इसमें शक्कर है कि नहीं है कि क्या है हेल्थ के लिए. Yay. The strawberry one is more for the sweet tooth and this has like तीखा that kick थोड़ा सा. So then people who don't
और
like.
काफी natural feel हो रहा है. Because,
natural flavors है.
मैं जब छोटा था तो I used to have a lot of guava. मेरी नानी के घर के सामने बहुत सारे पेड़ थे. तो जब भी मुझे कुछ फ्लेवर लगता है तो I can recollect. और अगर रियल होता है गुआवा टेस्ट देन आई आल्सो आई कैन रिकलेक्ट. तो इसमें वो एक नेचुरल फ्लेवर वाला है.
Yeah. Guava I made for the people who like something unique and don't want too much sweet. And then strawberries for my sweet lovers who can't have sweet because this is more sweeter than
The
this.
good part is that it's all natural, no? You have not
Yeah.
added any artificial flavor. Like ऐसा जबरदस्ती का पिंक दिख नहीं रहा है उसमें.
मैंने कलर भी नहीं ऐड करवाई इस बार या
which is
लास्ट ईयर के उसमें ना कलर भी था. इस बार मैंने उसको बोली कलर भी मत डाल.
Both of them looks the same, but flavor अलग है.
Yeah.
Is something that I really liked about it.
Yay.
Very good. So proud of you.
Yay, thank you. I am so proud of me. मैंने पहली बार लैब में जाके प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मुलेट किया मालूम है. मैं कभी लैब में नहीं गई हूँ. कॉफी के लिए थोड़ा लैब में जाना पड़ता है.
Welcome to the Nutra world.
Yes.
See, I want to have another sip.
Which says a lot because Yash will not eat anything wrong in his life ever. He'll not indulge only.
अच्छा यार, people will like it.
It's better than Sprite Zero. You used to let me have Sprite Zero now.
Yeah.
So I used to. So now instead of Sprite Zero, I drink my iced tea.
The next day.
What's up, guys? It's Monday and it's been quite the Monday morning for me. I got a horrible migraine in the morning. I don't know what was the reason. Probably heat outside is very bad. मुझे actually रात को नींद में भी पसीना आ रहा था. Non-stop पसीना आ रहा था. I was waking up again and again, changing the AC temperature, then feeling too cold, feeling too hot. I don't know what was happening to me. I woke up and I felt like somebody sticking my hair and pulling it. That's how the headache was. Couldn't go to office. Then I called mom and dad because I felt like मुझे चक्कर आके गिरने वाली. तो मम्मी पापा आए थे. मम्मी ने मुझे कोकम शरबत दी. Chia seed water I had already had. I had electrolytes also. You know, finally what cured my headache? A nice cup of coffee. And I'm such a weird human being because coffee is supposed to dehydrate you and that's why I was avoiding it since morning. Okay, you know, अगर already my body बहुत गर्मी से dehydrated है, I should avoid coffee. But no, I had coffee and I felt alive and I could do my makeup and everything and move about. And Sharon and Dipanshi also came to help me out because I was not able to function. Anyway, I had to get up and do my makeup. Even though I didn't go to office, I am supposed to go for a customer focus group. We've invited our customers to try out our new iced teas. So that's happening today. We've partnered with a cafe in Powai. It's called the. So we are going there and we have our customers. I'm going to keep it low key. Like मेरा energy इतना नहीं है, तो I'm going to interact less. But I have to go. I'm the founder, so I have to go get insights from the customers. I'm very excited to meet customers because customers help us make a good brand, and this is a very important activity. जो हम customers से मिले, देखिए उनको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, where do they want us to go next, what product do they want us to launch next, etc. etc. This is my cute fit of the day and this red top, black leather skirt, and this is the last day I'm wearing this leather skirt because it's already started giving up. It's a very old skirt actually. This is from Savannah and मैंने पेरिस के टाइम पे ली थी. आज मैं पहन लेती हूँ इसको क्योंकि ये अच्छी comfortable है पेट पे. I don't want anything tight. So let's go now. My girls are already down. I'm not taking laptop and all. I'm not even taking my that bag. I'm taking another bag. iPad लिया, mic लिया, Osmo mic. What else? ये बैग तो काफी खाली है. Is this bag going with this outfit? Black is only going ना. Brown won't go. हाँ, this bag won't go. इसको धूप में नहीं रख सकते, खराब हो जाएगा. मेरी बैगवती को हम कुर्सी पे रखेंगे. इसको हम लेके जाएंगे आज. चप्पल क्या पहनूं मैं? चप्पल house is a mess. Please don't judge because my team has been trying to do PR unboxing. I think I'll wear these heels from Coach. Should I do shiny leather though or patent? Sharon, Coach heels or Charles and Keith? कौन सी हील पहनूं? ये वाली ना? This is very comfortable, this heel. I actually don't even need such a big bag. कुछ है भी नहीं इसमें. मेरा लंच और पानी का बॉटल डाल दो प्लीज. गाड़ी में खाना पड़ेगा, रेस्टोरेंट में थोड़ा का. हाँ. We are batch preparing our sugar-free and sugared iced tea so we can do like a blind testing with the customers. We are at the Arc in Powai, so
I just had a connected to the journey. Thank you so much. I like to encourage people who are doing something for themselves. Thank you so much.
And which flavor from it?
I like the purple.
Really?
I love that.
Oh, so good.
My favorite.
That's why we bought it back that just now went to the Little Flea and so many people said kacham, pineapple is there. I was like, thank God. we brought it back.
I
to the
tried
summer.
for kacham, but when you launched it, I didn't get it.
Okay.
So now this time again, I ordered for the kacham and
Yeah, now it's on sale.
Yeah, so I
So
ordered
today
it.
also you will get that.
Yesterday only I ordered it.
Yes. अरे वाह. Which one do you like? अभी तो रोक
This is better for me.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yes, please.
Why?
Yes.
Wow, that's good.
Very good. वाह.
Because ये similar taste मुझे आया.
पहले
पहले पिया है ना
Okay.
मैंने और पता नहीं क्यों ये ज़्यादा better.
So the difference we've noticed is once you drink the new iced teas, you feel more fresh as compared to like the older ones. You drink and you feel like lethargic because it's sugary. So I used to drink it in the night. So now new ones के साथ I feel more energetic in the night also.
Actually, the vitamin C, I used to have those
Faster
soluble,
after,
yeah. And recently I just tried some foreign ones and I started getting allergies.
Okay.
So if you are coming out with this, be like, सोने पे सुहागा
Yeah. So the whole point was कि कुछ और भी देना चाहिए, सिर्फ sugar free नहीं.
एक्चुअली गर्मी में बेस्ट बेस्ट गर्मी में और मजा आएगी पीने में आप कहीं और नहीं जाओगे
Okay, open your eyes. That is sugar free.
It's slightly tangy and sweet.
You like that? That's sugar free. Yay! My sugar free is winning so far.
It's very refreshing, this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
In the first sip, you could tell that.
Yeah. Like I don't know, I think I'm used to having the sugar-free drinks in general, so
Okay.
it feels a little heavy as compared to this one, so it's a little more refreshing.
And in compared to other sugar-free drinks, what do you think about this?
But it's definitely refreshing. Like I use Impulse iced tea, I have it at home. So,
Okay.
the sugar ones are still there. Like
Hmm.
I do not have it as often, and I think I'll have this
More.
like, more.
One eternity later.
Come here, I need your attention. Come here. Ali, we're sheeping. Give a girl. I do. Give a girl. Look at camera. Where's my fudgy baba? You know everyone loved the iced teas. They love the new one. They love the new iced tea. They were asking about you. They were asking where's Fajja? And they were, one subscriber was saying that I should get another dog. But Fudgy is an only child. He has only child syndrome. She was saying I should get a cat. She was suggesting we should get a cat. He's like, Khabardar. I love you, Fudgy. Mama is so happy because everyone loved the new iced teas and they said it's banging formula and flavor is good and it's good for their health, so they were all so excited to have it because all these customers who we called, they've had our sugar iced teas before, so they are very happy to have this. 6 out of 10 of them did not like the other one. They liked the sugar free more when we did the blind testing. So 6 out of 10 liked sugar free more in blind testing. Blind testing we did because we wanted unbiased opinion, and then एक बार आँख खोला तो बाकी के were also like, of course ये better है तो ये भी better है. It's very close call. We can't even tell the difference, but there's more tanginess in the sugar free iced tea because it's sugar free ना, तो you get a citrusy taste in the strawberry. Guava का तो it literally feels like you're biting into a guava. It's very delicious. He's just come from his walk and now his mama will go for her walk. And in the night, Aditi and Ishan are coming over because tomorrow is the Body Loving's summer launch. So tomorrow we are all headed there. So they've come from Delhi for the event. So we are meeting for dinner. They are coming over for dinner. या तो खा के आ रहे या खाने के लिए आ रहे, I don't know. Paji, next week Dada is also coming. Where's Dada? Paji, where's Dada? गया ढूंढने को. Okay, I'm gonna remove my makeup and then go for a walk. Where you want to go? I'm going for a walk on the back road. You already went for a walk and came. इसको चलाता है कि नहीं? तू खाली गर्लफ्रेंड से बात करता है, खाली फोन पे बात करता है अभी. From now, Satyam is going. Then Mama's only gonna take you for walkie. Satyam is going in 2 days. 2 days क्या, कल ही जा रहा है ना तू सुबह? बस कल से तू और तेरी माँ वॉक करेंगे. सनसेट हो गया है गाइस बाहर. अब मैं खिड़की थोड़ा खुला रखती हूँ वेंटिलेशन के लिए. वो थकान हो गया आज, मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही इतनी.
Later that same evening.
Impulse coffee की healthy I see.
ब्रो, इसमें बिल्कुल भी ऐसा पता नहीं चल रहा है कि चीनी नहीं है या शुगर फ्री है, क्या है. इट्स द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ मीठा, विच इज समथिंग आई एम सो पर्टिकुलर अबाउट, बिकॉज मेरे को मीठा चाहिए होता है, बट आई डोंट वांट शुगर. इसको तो मैं बॉटम्स अप करके पीता हूँ. ये वाला ट्राई कर, नेक्स्ट फ्लेवर. ये वाला कौन सा है?
क्यों नहीं करती कि इसके बड़े पैक्स बना के.
हाँ बेबी, बड़े पैक में ही आ रहा है.
नहीं
ये तो
इन लाइक रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड ऑल.
रेस्टोरेंट्स में मेरे को जाके कनेक्शंस लगाने पड़ी. मेरे ना इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं है, वो मेरे को
कोई भी
लगेगा.
एक जैसे
एयरपोर्ट पे दे दे.
नहीं एयरपोर्ट्स पे भी या
Horeca, I want this whole hotel, restaurant, airport system. I want to crack that. I don't have the right contacts for it. और इससे देखो बिल्कुल गिल्ट नहीं लगेगा, देखो एक्चुअली फ्रेश लगेगा. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हाँ इट्स गुड. मैं कि अपना फ्रेशनेस के लिए नींबू पानी यही है.
हाँ, एंड कभी कभी जो स्ट्रॉबेरी होती है ना, कोई भी स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर चाहिए, वो ऐसे डाइजीन जो पिंक वाली होती है वैसा टेस्ट करती है. इट्स सो बैड, ऐसे मेडिसिन टाइप का.
और इसमें फ्रेग्रेंस भी प्रॉपर स्ट्रॉबेरी वाली है.
पैकेजिंग इसकी चेंज करवा रही हूँ अभी. ये इंशाल्लाह बिक जाए जितने सैशेस है, देन वी चेंज द पैकेजिंग. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव गिवन ऑप्शन.
पैकेजिंग इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? क्या डिफरेंस?
नहीं, इसमें कुछ भी क्लेम्स नहीं आ रही ना, अच्छी है. पुरानी वाली ना, इसमें मैंने शुगर फ्री वगैरह लिखा नहीं है क्योंकि ये पुरानी वाली शुगर वाली थी ना. आउटर पैकेजिंग पे सब आएगा अभी, और फिर सैशेस जब बिक जाए तभी नया लूंगी.
The next day.
Guys, Sharon is making me wear maternity clothes. Look at this. I am ready to announce my baby, which I don't have because my boyfriend is still sitting in Assam, so there is no possibility of this. But look at this dress. It looked different on the model. है ना, the neckline was like this. I was not expecting this neckline to be like this. And this
उल्टा है क्या ये?
नहीं, उल्टा नहीं है, सेम ही है पूरा आगे पीछे से. Dress is very pretty, but it's giving very church. लाइक ईस्टर पे इसको पहन के चर्च जाना चाहिए था. मेरी नानी बड़ी खुश होती थी ये देख के. फुल मैंगलोरियन आई एम लुकिंग. And also I like a little action in this department which is missing. So now we go back to our Singapore wardrobe and either pick this or this from the Singapore wardrobe. This? ये ना. Why do I have feeling we have more such outfits? We have outfits here also from the last holiday. But this is very beachy then. This would look great if I was wearing a bikini inside. So I'll wear it to my beach holiday, which I don't have booked, but I can book it for this outfit. क्या पहने हम? I think this is the safest. This is comfortable.
You gave that dress away or what? You had this one.
Yeah. I gave it away.
I never wore it.
I wore it once. Once I wore. I'll style it differently than I did in Singapore. I did red lip there. I'll do nude lip, brown, those bangles that I have, that bangle stack, chunky, brown lip, brown everything. I am developing a migraine issue. It's either the heat and me are not लाइक मॉर्निंग से आज वापस सेम जो कल जैसा हो रहा था, बट आज ज्यादा हो रहा है बिकॉज आज मुझे स्ट्रेस भी है काम का. सो इट्स जस्ट इंटेंसिफाइंग मोर एंड मोर इन माई ब्रेन. आई आल्सो स्लेप्ट लेट लास्ट नाइट बिकॉज Aditi and Ishan went at 2 o'clock. Like all of us slept late. I don't know how they got up early. Also they had to go to shoot to Adume. So they are with Adume. So we are all coordinating to meet at the same time. I'm actually getting dressed and going for the event because I know I'll chill with them and feel better and forget my work stress. So we're all coordinating to come at the same time at 5:30ish. I'm excited to meet Gopali also after our engagement. I got her a little gift also. I don't know if I don't think Pari's coming. Yeah, now that cat is finally out of the bag. I saw her vlog. She cried so much while introducing him because so many years of relationship and she never introduced him. That must be something. I kept it hidden for like 1 year and I was feeling Guess who's out of her grave and ready for the event? I'm wearing the new Pedro bag that we got from Singapore. The same outfit I wore in Singapore but styled with chunky jewelry, very bohemian aesthetic. I love the makeup actually because I kept adding coverage because my face looked so dull because I'm sleep deprived, I'm having a headache. So I added so much coverage that now my beat looks full glam and so matte and so love it. What perfume should I use? This one. Use my Burberry Her. It's a very beachy perfume. About to get over also. I like how my body looks in this dress. Very hourglass figure. Didn't shoot any get ready with me and all क्योंकि तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही है. I don't know, since 2 days I don't really have a migraine issue as such, but since 2 days I'm feeling like this headache since the time I'm getting up. एंड आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट. लाइक सुबह बहुत गर्मी होती है, शाम के टाइम पे अच्छा लगने लगता है ऑटोमेटिकली. तो मॉर्निंग्स इट्स extremely hot. So when I'm waking up in the morning, I'm feeling so like headachy, and now so this ponytail is not gonna help at all. And then today the stress level was also very high because due to, like I said, due to the war, brands की बजी पड़ी है guys. Due to the war, it's really bad because we are facing a lot of delays in raw materials, especially for packaging. I've called 10 vendors from morning. Nobody is able to give me a timeline in which मेरा iced tea का next batch of sachets निकलेगा. We're already sold out of the current batch of sachets because I was relying on the current batch for the pre-orders, but now we're already sold out. Mashallah for the demand, but the supply is not able to keep up, and I don't want the same situation that happened with the coffee sachets to occur again. But I think that's the same thing that's going to happen, and this time due to the war act, that it's going to cause more delay because nobody is able to give me a timeline कि कब मेरे sachets ready होंगे. मैं सुबह से इतने कॉल कर चुकी हूँ, अभी मैं वही करने वाली हूँ, गाड़ी में बैठ के कॉल्स ही करने वाली वेंडर्स को कि कोई तो मुझे बता दे कि कब तक मेरे sachets मेरे को मिलेंगे. तो बस confirmation मिले and I will put it into print. That's not happening. And it's like, it's the cream. See, I do so much for marketing, but my operations is very weak at Impulse, which is why like I'm not able to keep up. Like my marketing is so good that everyone trusts our product and the brand value and they buy it, and then we're selling out before we even launch. So something to be happy about, but not again and again, you know what I mean.
1 hour later.
Guys, the traffic in Mathura Das Mill compound is madness, but I've made it. We are here. Thank you. I have to wear this? I thought you won't be there. Literally said in my vlog that Pari nahi aayega. This is your first influencer. First influencer event. Hello! बदतमीज औरत जो This is so adorable. This is Adu's childhood on her tote. बहुत engaging है, हम कब से इधर कर रहे हैं. This is my tote bag, colorful. Thank you. It's hot, yeah, just like me.
Just like me.
You're too late to crack the joke now. See, please hold it for me so I can show my audience मैंने क्या क्या डाला. देखो, rich girl energy, sip, main character, espresso spread, love. Coffee first. Girls just want to have fun.
What I have no idea what I'm doing is so you.
Sometimes, yeah.
So
बिल्कुल risk नहीं लेने का.
No idea what I'm doing. बिल्कुल risk नहीं लेने का.
Adulting sucks. Now or never.
ये अच्छा था इतना.
कितने प्यारा है ना वो. रीत की फोटो से तो ये बेटर है. वो नहीं आया ना आज तो.
ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को.
है ना. देखिए शानस. No, because I saw Adhu में put like couple photos and I was like, should I put a photo with Reet?
I'm very upset. As an audience, I'm very upset with you.
रीत की फोटो क्यों देखनी. रीत को देखेंगे
Dislike
हम.
button. YouTube bring back the dislike
रीत
button.
को
I wanna
देखेंगे
dislike
हम.
this video.
YouTube का है डिसलाइक बटन. कहाँ गया.
You can see now how many people have disliked.
अच्छा ये बताओ, एक्सपोज करो कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
बेइज्जती होनी चाहिए.
Front also they'll put
नाम लिखा होना चाहिए. शालिनी मंडल dislike this video. I want
Shalini Mandal dislikes everything I do. She has a problem with everything I do.
तो कौन बोल रहा है ये? कौन assume कर रहा है? Are you playing assumption?
No, I know. Dude, these lip balms are fab. This is my favorite, of course, Kapi Tiramisu, the coffee one. And it also comes with a charm. If you buy, ऐसा charm के साथ आता है. So cute. कहाँ चले? घूमने. Yes. मुझे भूख लग रही है. Take me to Bora Bora. Boardroom नहीं, actual Bora Bora.
A few moments later.
We've all come here to Houdini. The entire gang is here. Vibe check.
पकड़ के चलना चाहिए वो. पकड़ के चलना.
Vibe check हो गया. Is all good? Good. चलो. Let's go. We're all sitting on different size chairs. Aditi is like our subject, you know, and we are in the kingship over here on the high chairs, and these are our subjects.
Everybody adjust.
I know you're the top 10 billionaire.
After party scene. सब लोग आ जाओ.
मेल मिलाप हो रहा है because रात के 2 बज रहे हैं.
The next day.
All right. somehow I have managed to make it to my daftar this morning. It was such a fun night and such a needed night with everyone. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. Like group of YouTube creators heals something inside of me. Like genuinely, like that's the old era of YouTube, which we are all like so grown up now, and it was so fun. Last night we were there till 2 o'clock till the restaurant shut, and even after that Gopali was like ghar aa jao. Mridul and Aditya were like, let's go to their house over there. There are places still open till 4 o'clock, and we were like, because Aditya and Ishan are leaving today, and I think Adya had something today, so then we were like, even I had office today, so then we all went back home. Genuinely did not want to leave also. It was really fun. You won't even believe हमारा bill कितना आया. It was so funny. It was so funny. It was generally really fun. Anyway, it healed me. My migraines got better, I think, just spending time with them. Today morning I'm feeling a lot better, touch wood. But Satyam has gone, so I have come late to office because सारा घर का काम मुझे करना पड़ा, which is a nightmare. And Fudge is with my mother because I cannot handle Fudge, the house and office. Kudos to moms who can do it. I can't do it. So my mom is taking care of Fudge and I'm here. Probably when Reet will come, I'll take Fudge back home, but abhi ke liye can't handle. So yeah, cheers to a good morning and cheers to this vlog ending. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you didn't, rate a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout goes to Anjali Survase. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Sasko Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also you comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and chance for my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I'll see you guys in the video. Bye guys.